Hello students, this video is for class 6, subject science, lesson 2nd and part 4. In the last video, we have completed our food chains and food webs, and in this video we are going to talk about abiotic environment. As already explained, the abiotic environment includes the medium in which an organism lives and the climate which surrounds it. Now you shall study the medium, air, water, soil and the climate, which is light and temperature. So abiotic, as the name suggests, non-living things in which the living things live can be called as abiotic environment. So few examples are air, water and soil. They are lifeless but they contain life or support life. So let's start with the air. Air contains mainly oxygen, nitrogen and carbon dioxide. It forms a blanket around the surface of the earth. We already know that oxygen is necessary for respiration. Like all animals, humans and plants need oxygen to stay alive. The atmosphere, in which there is 21% oxygen, supplies air breathing animal and the plants with this vital gas. Oxygen that has dissolved from atmosphere into the water is taken in by fish and other aquatic animals. It is also present in the soil, which helps the roots of the plants to breathe. When you inhale, you take in oxygen. When you exhale, you release the waste gas, carbon dioxide. If something uses carbon dioxide and releases oxygen, it would be perfect organism to balance our use of oxygen. That something is, now next move to the next page. That something is green plants. Green plants use carbon dioxide gas from the atmosphere, water from the soil and the energy of sunlight to make food. This process is called photosynthesis. During photosynthesis, plants break down water molecules into hydrogen and oxygen atoms. Oxygen from land plants escape into atmosphere. Oxygen from aquatic plants escape into water and atmosphere. This trade between plants and animals is the key to the oxygen carbon dioxide cycle. So what this abiotic environment air has for us is, there is 78% of nitrogen in the air, 21% of the oxygen in the air and rest 1% is our other gases. And we get oxygen from the green plants on this planet, and we use oxygen to make energy with the help of food, and in this process we give out carbon dioxide, which is also a gas, and this gas, which is carbon dioxide, used by the green plants to make their energy and they release oxygen. So we can see that we and green plants are balancing the use of oxygen, because we need oxygen and we exhale carbon dioxide, and green plants, they need carbon dioxide and they give out oxygen. So we are together making a balance in the environment. And the process by which green plants make their food and also releases oxygen is called photosynthesis, in which water molecules are broken down into hydrogen and oxygen. Oxygen from aquatic plants escapes into water and atmosphere. This trade between the plants and animals is the key to the oxygen and carbon dioxide cycle. So this was your today's video. In the next video we will be seeing constituents of air. Thank you.